The Shenandoah Valley Steam Tractor annual meet, the Tractor Parade. Steam and gas powered tractors. We're out here in Berryville, Virginia, and it's a beautiful day. And there you can see that thing billowing smoke. We just finished over there at the sawmill where they cut up huge trees with a steam powered motor. Notice the senior driver there with the earmuffs on. The 21st century protection from the whistles that make you deaf. There's another one. All original from around 1910, 1915. Look at that chain steering.
They do this once a year.
Yeah. Usually in June. Yeah. Yep.
I remember next year, call my brother Jim. He's up in West family again. He grew up, his best friend, his best friend when he was a kid growing up, his parents were farmers. For wealthy people owned the land that he farmed for. And raised cattle and a bunch of stuff. He would enjoy it. I'll have to, next year maybe we'll get see what it is. I'll have him come down, he'd love it.
There's a big one there, boy. That thing's huge. Those tires are 7 feet tall.
I think they're that one. That was coming up.
Yeah.
The second one?
Yeah, the red tank one there. Blow the whistle. Blow the whistle. Blow the horn.
Blow the whistle!
That's good.
That's the grandson driving that one. My son's on this one.
Oh, very good.
Well, he's acting like a grandson.
And then there's another grandson.
Congratulations. I'll put you in the movie. What's your name?
Ireland.
Ireland. Okay, you're going to be on YouTube.
I will be?
Yeah, I'll send you a link. Alright, we're going to shut it off here.
This is the original.
They describe each engine in detail as to what it is, who made it, and the year of manufacture. A lot of these engines were used as mobile steam tractor engines for sawmills or wheat thrashing. And they didn't necessarily drive them to plow with, but it made it so the steam engine was movable, because you couldn't hardly steer these things. Yeah. There he goes there. Yeah, he's
right.
Like these or really dislike them, you can blame it on yours. It's a secret recipe. Never heard anybody say they dislike it.
Look at the T-model behind that
Yeah, that's that four-wheel
four-wheel
drive, yeah. And here's the last steam tractor. Now they get into the other ones that are gasoline powered. They got Farmall's, Case, Oliver's, John Deere's. They got a lot of antique stuff here.